Early Chinese civilization. Ancient China was ruled by all-powerful kings or monarchs. Upon death, Chinese kings passed their ruling power to another family member. The series of kings within one ruling family is called a dynasty. Ancient Chinese history can be divided based on which dynasty held power at the time. Each dynasty or ruling family ruled China until it became weak and was overthrown. The Shang Dynasty. The Shang Dynasty is the first dynasty historians know much about. The Shang Dynasty started in a small region of the Yellow River Valley. The people developed new technologies, such as war chariots and bronze-tipped spears, that gave them an advantage over other neighboring peoples. Around 1766 BCE, a Shang ruler named Tang the Successful conquered more than 1,800 villages in the Yellow River Valley. When Tang died, he passed power to another member of his family, and power continued to be passed down throughout the generations. For more than 500 years, the Shang dynasty ruled ancient China. During its rule, the dynasty's territory spread to areas near the Yangtze River. Characteristics of Shang dynasty. Specialization. Most Shang people lived in farming villages. Farmers grew crops, raised pigs and chickens, and bred and harvested silkworms. Some people were metal workers or artisans. Shang artisans made beautiful marble and jade statues, as well as silk fabrics, ornate metal containers, and much more. Members of the noble class used their power to rule and organize resources. Writing. During the Shang dynasty, the first Chinese writing system was invented. Chinese symbols represented objects and ideas, not syllables like the systems of Mesopotamia and ancient Egypt. This was beneficial because it made communication easier between the people in different regions of China who spoke different dialects or variations of Chinese. The symbols represented objects and ideas that everyone could recognize, regardless of what dialect was spoken. Today, people in different regions of China still have difficulty speaking to each other because their dialects are different. However, when they write, they can understand each other because the symbols are the same. There are over 50,000 symbols in the Chinese writing system today. Architecture. Shang buildings were made of wood and mud. Shang villages built large dirt walls around their villages for protection. One Shang city built a wall 6 feet wide and 30 feet high. Most evidence of Shang architecture has long since crumbled and washed away. Social structure. The king's family and nobles held all the wealth and power in Shang society. Common people included farmers, craftspeople, and enslaved people.